and my dear students, a very good morning to all of you. It is with immense joy and pride that we organize Ensemble 2022, a motley of creativity, talent, knowledge, and 21st century skills. This annual event is of utmost significance for it offers students an opportunity to depict diversified themes after exploring, investigating, analyzing, problem solving, designing, and editing. Collaborative nature of ensemble not only enhances their skill in team building and leadership, but also reinforces the social and emotional learning. Dear parents, we view our world with a global perspective now. The aim of this project is to give learners an environment which stimulates intrinsic curiosity, inquiry based, and experiential learning in hope to transform them into individuals who become successful professionals, civic leaders, and informed citizens of the global society. Dear children, I have complete faith that this year too, Ensemble has given you a brilliant platform to unleash your hidden potential and fly with broader wings. I hope you have also learned to understand, appreciate, and reciprocate the global issues and are progressing towards becoming an active participant in addressing and resolving them. Here, I would like to share a poem. Not everyone gets it. Not everyone gets it right the first time. Success is unfortunately a wicked, difficult climb. However, for those who just don't lose hope, success will throw down a life saving rope. Work hard, work smart, and you will succeed. Don't follow the rest of the world, take lead. All my best wishes I send to my dear students. I hope you keep getting successful till the end. I would like to congratulate Principal Seema Agarwal, the proud parents, supervisory heads, class coordinators, and the team of most hardworking teachers and sincere students on the accomplishment of this sterling event. I look forward to witnessing the enthralling and gripping presentations by my dear students. Thank you, dear children, and all the best. May God bless you always.
My dear students and parents, a very pleasant good morning to all of you. I welcome you all to Ensemble 2022, a live project display of club activities which illustrate how our young minds apply their energies in understanding and relating subjects like mathematics, science, and English through activities. Our core focus in the school has always been to impart such learning which engages the students in doing playful activities with lots of fun. Ensemble stems out of our school core focus and philosophy wherein each child is given importance to foster his or her interest by engaging in playful activities. Ensemble has definitely been instrumental in igniting curiosity, developing reasoning ability, and enhancing mathematical capabilities of our students. It aims to encourage mass participation and hones their communication skills. More than this, it also fosters joy and happiness in their life, accompanied with the spirit of working together in presenting their novel ideas. I take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude for activities with lots of fun. Ensemble stems out of our school core focus and philosophy wherein each child is given importance to foster his or her interest by engaging in playful activities. Ensemble has definitely been instrumental in igniting curiosity, developing reasoning ability, and enhancing mathematical capabilities of our students. It aims to encourage mass participation and hones their communication skills. More than this, it also fosters joy and happiness in their life, accompanied with the spirit of working together in presenting their novel ideas. I take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to you, dear parents, for your kind support and cooperation in school events. Your appreciation of our efforts strengthen mutual bonding and trust, leading to an ideal conditions for the child. I would like to congratulate Mrs. Ritu Mahajan, the supervisory in charge, and her team of dedicated teachers for engaging and encouraging the students to bring out their best. I look forward to some amazing presentation by my enthusiastic children. Thank you.
Without mathematics, you can do nothing. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is numbers. These lines are quoted by Shakuntala Devi. Presentation of a very good morning to language all. Of mathematics. It's a matter of great pleasure to welcome to our administrator ma'am, remove your phobia of principal ma'am, esteemed judges. I would like to hand over the stage and my lovely Divyansha Arora to this virtual assembly 2022 to begin our presentation. Students of class 6 will.
A very good morning to you all. I am Kashmir Meja and Divyansha Arora of class 6 welcome you all to our virtual ensemble of 2022.
A special thanks to our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Ms. Seema Agarwal, for giving us this opportunity to represent our talent and creativity on this platform. And special thanks to Ms. Ritu Mahajan Ma'am for giving her support and guidance. Let's begin our journey by seeking blessings of Goddess Saraswati. Prisha of our class will represent a beautiful welcome song on Saraswati Vandana. Mathematics is called the language of science and the language of nature. Italian astronomer and physicist Galileo Galilei is attributed with the quote, "Mathematics is the language in which God has written the universe. The universe cannot be read until we learn the language and become familiar with the characters in which it is written. It is written in mathematical language and its letters are circles, rectangles, symbols, numbers and other geometrical figures, without which means it is humanly impossible to comprehend a single word." Mathematics is the language of the universe. You might have heard this a lot of times from a lot of people. Did you ever think, what does it mean and how is it justified? Is maths truly a language? There are thousands of languages around the globe, like English, Spanish, German, Chinese, etc. And just like these languages, mathematics is also a language. It has its own language. It consists of many patterns, symbols, and different numbers, geometrical shape, etc. It has whole Greek of alphabets and distinct equations. Thus, idea of maths is known as language is not exactly new. Mathematics is used since thousands of years. Even in ancient times, it was used to conduct trade, building monuments, and to measure land for farming. Mathematics is spoken universally. It can be understood by anyone, no matter which religion, art, age, and culture. Different countries have different symbols and words. But fundamental understanding of maths is same. No matter wherever you go, it does not need any translation. For example, 5 times 2 equals to 10, 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. In country of whole world. And if we consider and understood maths as language, it would be fun doing maths.
Have you ever imagined what would life be without mathematics? When asked to consider a life without mathematics, no matter who you are, it would require you to give up most of the things you hold in your life.
Maths is needed at every step of life. It makes our life orderly and prevents chaos. It tells us how things work and helps us to predict certain things due to which we have progressed so much in life. It has made our lives easier and uncomplicated. It creates a world which works in a perfect manner.
Whether you like it or not, we do share a lifelong bond with mathematics. It is there everywhere and in everything that we do. So, let's experience the world without mathematics with the students of class 6D.
Hey Sanchit, how are you? These holidays passed so quickly. How did you spend your Christmas Eve?
It was great, and guess what?
What?
Santa fulfilled my one of the biggest dreams. I bought tickets to the world without maths.
But why?
I really don't like maths. It's really tough, and I always score least mark in this subject. And I don't know why even we are studying this subject. It's of no use.
Ticket to the world without mathematics? It sounds strange. And how even such world is possible? Because maths is used everywhere.
I don't think so. Anyways, do you want to join me?
I don't want to, but I'm curious to see such a world. Is this the world without maths?
Oh my god, look at these buildings which are not properly built.
My dear friend Sanchit, you almost forgot. We are in a world without no maths. Where is there no maths? There is no concept of shapes and dimension. Where is no maths? There is no engineering.
Oh yes, right. By the way, what's the time?
You forgot again. We are in the world without no maths. Where there is no maths, there is no concept of numbers and no concept of time.
Then how people check time here?
Yes, they must be using the position of the sun because it doesn't require any numbers.
Oh, that means people who live here never celebrate their birthdays.
Yes, and I guess they only enjoy the seasons here.
I think world without maths is getting horrifying. I wasted my Christmas wish. I wish I would have been prepared for a racing car. Now I really want to eat something. I am really very hungry. My mind is not working. Can we find nearest restaurant?
It's not possible. Without maths, there is no concept of distance and we can't locate it. We have to walk and search research it on our own.
This is really shocking and pathetic. How can I underestimate the importance of maths in my life?
I told you, each and everything in our lives is related to the language of maths.
Let's go to the world of maths as soon as possible.
Had it not been for math, that we would still be figuring out each and everything in life, which in turn would create chaos. Still not convinced?
Mathematics is all around us. As we discover more of our environment and our surroundings, we see that nature can be described mathematically. The beauty of a flower, the majesty of a tree, even the rocks upon which we walk can exhibit nature's sense of symmetry. Although there are many examples to be found in crystallography or even at a microscopic level in nature.
जिस शून्य के बिना सब शून्य है, उसे अस्तित्व में लाया जिसने, पाटलिपुत्र की धरा पर जन्म किए, नालंदा में ज्ञान गंगा बहाई उसने, अपनी धुरी पर पृथ्वी घूमती है, ये भेद संसार को बताया जिसने, गणित विज्ञान खगोल आदि की कई विद्याएं को बताया इसने, ऐसे विप्र शिरोमणि को प्रणाम, भारत को विश्व गुरु बनाया जिसने, भारत को विश्व गुरु बनाया जिसने। स्वागत है भारत के प्रसिद्ध और महान गणितज्ञ आर्यभट्ट का।
Mathematics is the domain key to all the sciences. Aryabhatta was a well-known mathematician and an astronomer. I was born during the rule of Gupta dynasty in 476 CE in Kusumpura. Present day, it is known as Bihar. I am well known as father of Indian mathematics. I had done various remarkable discoveries in mathematics. I was the first one who correctly discovered that the earth is spherical and it rotates on its axis. My invention regarding the value of pi eradicates the complication in mathematics, and my invention of Indian place value system and zero is master stroke.
इन्होंने आधुनिक विज्ञान के ढेरों रहस्य को सैकड़ों वर्ष पहले ही सुलझा लिया था। इन्होंने भारत के प्राचीन ज्ञान में अपनी विद्वता से इजाफा किया और आज भी लिखे इनके सिद्धांत तथा विचार प्रासंगिक हैं। करते हैं स्वागत प्राचीन भारत के महान गणितज्ञ भास्कराचार्य का।
Hello friends, I'm Bhaskaracharya. I'm also known as Bhaskar the teacher. I was born in 1114 AD in Mijapura. I was a teacher, mathematician and astronomer of the 12th century. I became the head of the astronomical observatory at Ujjain, the leading mathematical center in India at that time. My contribution in astronomy and mathematics in the 12th century was unparalleled and significant. Some of my contributions in mathematics include proof of the Pythagorean theorem, calculus, solving cubic and quadratic equations, and trigonometry. My Siddhanta Shiromani is considered as the pinnacle of all astronomical works of those 700 years. My astronomical findings include planetary positions, occurrence of eclipses, and cosmography. I accurately calculated the time that the Earth took to revolve around the Sun. I was the one who declared that any number when divided by 0 gives infinity.
भारत के महान गणितज्ञों में ब्रह्मगुप्त का भी एक नाम आता है। उन्होंने ही अपने ज्ञान से विश्व में भारत का मान बढ़ाया है। उन्होंने सर्वप्रथम शून्य को एक स्वतंत्र अंक भी बतलाया है और उसका उपयोग भी समझाया है। स्वागत करते हैं भारत के महान गणितज्ञ ब्रह्मगुप्त
I'm Brahm Gupta, one of the most prominent Indian mathematician and astronomer. I was born in 598 AD and I'm known for my immense knowledge in the field of mathematics. My one of the biggest contribution was the introduction of zero to mathematics. It stood for nothing. I was the first mathematician to provide the formula for area of an cyclic quadrilateral. My contribution to geometry are significant. I also explained the cube and cube root of an integer and rules facilitating the computation of square and square roots. I also explained the negative numbers. Thank you.
Now friends, let me share some Vedic maths tricks in this section. But before I show the Vedic maths tricks, let me give you a brief idea about Vedic maths. The term Vedic came from the Sanskrit word Veda, which means knowledge, and Vedic math is a super collection of sutras to solve various maths problems in an easier and faster way. Now let's learn few Vedic maths tricks together.
Hello everyone, my name is Arushi. Today we will learn some interesting and amazing techniques to multiply any number of digits by the magical number 9. Let's try a smaller number, 6 multiplied by 9. Now here 6 is the multiplicand and 9 is the multiplier. We need one less than the multiplicand, that is 5. And how much I need to add to 5 to get 9? That is 4. Hence our answer is 54. Now let's try a 2-digit number, 48 multiplied by 99. The answer will be a 4-digit number. Subtract 1 from the multiplicand. You will get 47. And the next two numbers will be the numbers I need to add 2, 4 and 7 respectively to get 9. That will be 5 and 2. Hence our answer will be 4752. Now let's try a 3-digit number, 786 multiplied by 999. The answer will be a 6-digit number. Subtract 1 from the multiplicand. You will get 785. The next three numbers will be the numbers we require to add 2, 7, 8, 5 respectively to get 9 will be 2, 1, 4. Hence our answer will be 785214.
Vedic tricks. Hello friends, I am Ishan Garg. Now let's learn together how to find square of number greater than 100. Let us take example of 104. At first, add the last digit of 104, that is 4, to 104. So we get 108. Now, at the end of 108, write the square of 4, that is 16. So we get 10,816, which is square of 104. Now, let us take another example. Square of 106. At first, add the last digit of 106, that is 6, to 106. So we get 112. Now at the end of 112, write the square of 6, that is 36. So we get 11,236, which is the square of 106. Happy learning!
Hello friends, I am Kashmir Mangal. With me you can learn many amazing tricks based on multiplication of number by 11. Let us take an example of 32 multiply 11. Consider the first digit of the number, that is 3. Write 3 first
and then write 3 plus 2 and at the end write 2. That is 352. So the product of 32 multiply 11 is 352. Let us have another example. 52 multiply 11. Write the first number of first digit 5 and then write 5 plus 2 and at the end write 2. That is 572. So the product of 52 multiply 11 is 572. Thank you.
Now, let's see some interesting and useful models based on the concept of maths prepared by the students of class 6D.
Hello friends, today I am going to represent a model based on Pythagoras theorem. It is a fundamental relation in geometry among the three sides of a right angle triangle. It states that the area of the square whose side is hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. The smaller square having triangular shape is A and B. See, it is the A square and this is the B square. As it falls from the other two sides and it completely fills up the C square having triangular side. Like it is completely filled up with the A square and B square, but when we move it, it will be completely filling up the C square. This proves that the Pythagoras theorem whose side is A square plus B square is equals to C square. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Kashvi. Here I am representing a model which is a working model and can transform a triangle into a cone. A triangle, as you can see my friends, is a two-dimensional figure having three sides. When we rotate this triangle, like the way I am doing it here, see, it is getting transformed into a cone. A cone is a three-dimensional figure having a given base and a given height. Isn't it interesting, my friends?
कसके जूता कसके बेल्ट खोस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया का नारा चले रहो मंजिल का इशारा चले रहो ये सोते भी है टेंशन आगे रहने की है टेंशन मेहनत इनको प्यारी है एकदम आज्ञाकारी है दुनिया का नारा चले रहो मंजिल का इशारा चले रहो
अरे क्या हुआ इतनी टेंशन में क्यों है
एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं यार
हाँ तो
इस बार भी टॉप करना है 98% तो लाने ही है फिर ये शहर की टॉप की कॉलेज में एडमिशन भी हो जाएगा और आगे की पूरी प्लानिंग सेट है
अरे डोंट वरी एग्जाम्स भी अच्छे जाएंगे और हम टॉप भी कर लेंगे थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो जाओ एग्जाम्स के डिप्रेशन में कोई लाइफ जीना भूल जाता है क्या मेहनत दिल लगा के की है ना तो उसका नतीजा भी अच्छा ही होगा बस दिल पे हाथ रखो और बोलो ऑल इज वेल ऑल इज वेल
जब लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होठों को करके गोल होठों को करके गोल सीटी बजा के बोल लाइफ हो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल होठों को करके गोल होठों को करके गोल सीटी बजा के बोल मुर्गी का जाने अंडे का क्या होगा हर लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा होठ घुमाओ सीढ़ी बजा के बोल भैया ऑरेंज अरे भैया ऑरेंज अरे चाचू ऑरेंज अरे भैया ऑरेंज
because life never stops teaching. With this quote, I pay my deep gratitude to our Administrator Ma'am, Miss Anita Vadera Ma'am, to our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Miss Seema Agarwal Ma'am, and to my Supervisory Head Ma'am, Ms. Ritu Mahajan Ma'am, for giving me this opportunity and for immense support. I would also like to thank our respected judges and dear parents. I would like to thank you each and everyone for being here with us today, and thank you to all my lovely students who made this event successful. Now get ready for Shanti part.
Shanti,